Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the 2024, I think, Hot Wheels Motor Show pack. And yeah, looks like a pretty good pack. We have a Acura NSX, a Corvette C8, a Aston Martin Vantage, and a 2020 Jaguar, I think, and a Senna there too. But yeah, let's just pop her open from the side. Looks like we just gotta... I think it's from this side, I'm not too sure. Yeah, let's just get it open. Yep. This is very difficult for some reason. I might have opened it from the wrong side. Actually, no, I did. I did from the right side, but yeah. Let's just open it up. But yeah, there is the 5-pack. Let's take a look at the first card. We got the Acura NSX right there in white. Just give it a quick look. Very cool casting. I love the pearl white. Has pretty cool Acura logo. Full front headlights and back tail lights with these pretty cool chrome 5-spoke wheels. But yeah, pretty detailed car. Put it aside. Next car we got is a Corvette C8 in this very cool ocean blue. Pretty cool black stripe that goes down half of the car. No back headlight tampos, but it does have a few tampos on the sides. A C8 on it. Pretty cool tampos on the front. The Corvette logo, plastic headlights. But yeah, no paint on the headlights. Pretty cool car. Next car we got is the Aston Martin Vantage in yellow. Pretty cool color combination with the red on the hood and with the black accents on the side and going down the hood. No back headlight tampos, but we do got a big old Aston Martin logo on the front with painted headlights and some gray wheels. Very nice. Very big spoiler also. Then for my favorite car, we got the blacked out McLaren Senna with the whole glass top. It also has some very nice yellow, I don't know what wheels you call these, but also has some very nice back headlight tampos with this giant spoiler. There's also front headlight tampos, not front headlight, but let's have a little McLaren logo with some plastic headlights. Pretty cool and detailed casting. Then for the last car, we got a Jaguar F-Type in red. Very nice cherry red with those 4 spokes on there. I don't think it does have back headlight tampos, and on the front you also got some front headlight tampos that are really nice. I do really like this casting. It is pretty clean with all these color combinations. But yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. I just want to show you the Hot Wheels Motor Show pack, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.